So today I'm going to be showing you simple steps just to make your press-on nails last for 2 weeks. Right now I'm just sizing my nails. When sizing my nails, I try to pick out nails that are not too tight or not too loose for the nail, but that just fit perfect. After that, I get my wooden stick and I start to lift up the cuticles. I try to lift up the cuticles all around the finger, so when I place the nail, it's more secure. I'm just trying to show you how I would lift my cuticles up with the wooden stick. I don't push them back. I think that hurts, but I lift them up. Your file is supposed to look like this, and also your table. I like to add a medium dose of glue to the nail. I don't like to add too little or too big. If it's too big, the glue overflows. When placing the nail, I like to place the nail under the cuticle so that it's more secure.